Oh, where you watch? Look where you watch. Know where you watch. Choose the right thing to watch. And this enough to watch. Sticky Stucky Sweet TV with Keith Gargan, Facebook and YouTube. And that enough to watch. The movie star fly take off from Palpatine TV said that. Boom!
A big sound, a play a big tune.
Jah holy Emmanuel, I boy. Jah Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. Well, Gideon go busting out them head again. So much oppression poor people face right now. Them crying out for freedom. Them crying out for free speech. Then said them want to stand up like them black liberators, like Malcolm X and Martin Luther and the ancient monarchy where come pave the way, sir. Free up black people from me tear down them fence, yeah. Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon, well, the Gideon go busting out them head. I listen, I see, I the power of the Trinity. Give us the teaching of His Majesty, and we know war, not every...
Blow, Mr. Gargan, blow. Blow till me dance up me toe.
This is Sticky Stucky Sweet TV with Keith Gargan. Good, healthy food with the X Factor. So give it a like, share, subscribe, and touch up that notification bell. And that is it. Look at that.
Because this is judgment, this type of disaster. You can say, global warming or rate or whatever, but boy, pretty ways to them things. Sometimes you don't want to get caught up in it. Really. So God nature is very, very strong. Deliver me from my enemy, my God. Set me an eye from those who rise up against me. Deliver me from the workers of iniquity. Save me from the bloodthirsty men. For behold, the lion wait for my soul. The mighty gather themselves together against me, not for my disobedience, not for my sin, Lord. I have done no wrong, yet they are ready to attack me. Rise up, behold, and help me. You, Lord God of armor, the God of Israel, rouse yourself to punish the nation. Show no mercy to the wicked, traitor, sealer. They return at evening, howling like dogs, and prowl around the city. Behold, they spat with their mouth, so they are in their lips, for they say, Who art us? But you, Lord, laugh at them, you scoff of all the nation. O my strength, I wish for you, for God is my high tower. My God will go before me with his loving kindness. God will let me look at my enemy in triumph. Don't kill them, or my people may forget. Scatter them by their power, and bring them down, Lord, our shield. For the sin of their mouth and the words of their lips, let them be catched in their pride. For the curses and lie which they utter, consume them in wrath, consume them, and they will be no more. Let them know that God rules in Jacob to the ends of the earth. Selah. At evening let them return, let them howl like a dog, and go around the city. They shall wander up and down for food, and wait all night, if they ain't satisfied. But I will sing of your strength, yes, I will sing aloud of your loving kindness in the morning. For you have been my high tower, a refuge in the day of my distress. To you, my strength, I will sing praises, for God is my high tower, the God of my mercy, Selah. Up and running, up and gunning, up, 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 up and running, up and gunning. Keith Gargan, Sticky Stucky Sweet TV, cassava, passava, up and running. Yeah, man. So right about now, we are just going to some nature. Because nature is something where me really, one thing me really, not one thing, but one of the things where me really into is nature and wildlife, animal kingdom, and things like that, because that's part of the world. So you can look at the world more, So we talk about judgment, right? These are the judgment we're going to come upon earth, unexpected, where no man can stop. No man can predict it. Sometimes it come and you don't even know. So we're going to just look at some things in America, tornado, look at something in a place like Florida, right? Spain, Russia, and let's call it worldwide, natural nature disaster, where people really sweep off of them feet, people in a danger, and the evacuate cars and the aftermath, Boy, me I tell you, pretty. We see somebody that touch Jamaica, but the one who touch Jamaica, that is a part of the government not doing this work by cleaning the drain them. So why everywhere just flood out, all in a mobby and all these things. But I want to see your situation where I go on. But me have to take a closer look on them things there and show them things that make people realize what go on. Because sometimes them things that take you, you're scared out of your depths, And see people are run and are scatter with a little baby. Because that little water catch you, go sweep you away, And when you sweep away, that broad atmosphere, you're going to end up in the sea, in the ocean, never to see again, by be eaten by a shark, or killed by a snake, alligator, all these horrible things. We're out there, just a wait for somebody as a body to devour. So people, as I'm saying, me always look on these things and take it very serious. Natural nature, God nature. Yeah, man. So this is what we call part of judgment, When them say judgment, because this is judgment, these type of disaster. You can say global warming or rate or whatever, but boy, pretty ways to them things. Sometimes you don't want to get caught up in it, really. So God nature is very, very strong, and that is a part of God. That is a part of judgment, and we have to take this serious. Just look and see what's happening across the world, even look at Jamaica. Little rainfall and look what go on. But that again, as I'm saying, is the neglect of the government by thieving up the money and not cleaning the drain them. Because they don't give a shit. Them not fix the road, them not clean the drain them. They don't come and talk big and talk about tourism and I show a big project down the sun. But them not talk about the inner city where poor people live and where poor people are them are vote for them, These nastiness. But anyway, without no further ado and no long argument, let's get into the video them. One by one. So here goes. Boom! And yes, Andrew Wellness, crooked Andrew Wellness, junkin walk Andrew Wellness, can't walk straight. Let me tell you something now. This last video I'm gonna play is happened in London. Heavy rain. Right? So look at this heavy rain that's falling for about 2 hours and look how the place is clean. Water just run off in the drain and there's a little bit of water upon the road and people are walk easily. A car drive, no car not splashing no water because you have proper drainage, right? And you are not cleaning the drainage them from so long and then you blame the PMP and you're not poor for nearly 9 years. You know, see one dolly house politics you play, brother? Eh? And you should be ashamed of yourself. Look at this flooding. Well, that flooding. Every rain in London. Every rain for a long time. And look at the street. How the water does disappear. So if you just look on that, take note. You're too fool. Yeah, man. So look on this.
Scared, I'm up on the bridge with me there for the
A big sound a play a big tune. Jah holy Emmanuel I, boy. Jah Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. Well, Gideon go busting out them head again. So much oppression poor people face right now. Them crying out for freedom. Them crying out for free speech. Then said them want to stand up like them black liberators, like Malcolm X and Martin Luther and the ancient monarchy where come pave the way, sir. Free up black people from me tear down them fence, yeah. Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon, well, the Gideon go busting out them head. I listen, I the power of the Trinity. Give us the teaching of His Majesty, and we no want no devil philosophy. Not until level for man's skin is abnormal, significant, well, to the color of his eye. Remember all the war done in 1935.
This is Sticky Stucky Sweet TV with Keith Gargan. Good, healthy food with the X Factor. So give it a like, share, subscribe, and touch up that notification bell. And that is it. Look at